Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. That's not what I normally do. Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. Today's video is a little bit quieter because my parents are asleep in the next room. So I'm trying to keep it down a little bit. Hopefully this video will also be a little bit shorter than a couple of my videos in the past. Like the last one that I put up was like over 20 minutes and it took 8 hours to get up onto YouTube. It was a train wreck. But anyway, it is officially summer where I am. Not actually like the season summer, but school's over. Unfortunately, I'm still doing summer lacrosse, so I'm not here on the weekends, which is when I typically try and film, but hopefully I'll be able to work in some filming during the week throughout the summer. And hopefully I'll be more regular with posting, which will be really great for me, just because it makes me feel better, like I'm actually like doing something with my life. And so we're getting really deep really quick. Nice. So yeah, if you guys are liking what you're seeing, then let's get to the rest of the video, I guess. So first I'm going to start with the Reina del Caribe palette from so bad with pronouncing things, and I feel really bad like if I mispronounce them on camera, because then people are gonna be like, is she for real? Like, come on. From Alamar Cosmetics. It came in the BoxyCharm this month, and I'm not gonna lie, I kind of love this palette. I've only used a couple colors from it, but I'm gonna start with, and of course none of them are in English, so I can't pronounce any of them, but I'm gonna use this orange shade right here, and it is Tropico. That one was easy. And I'm gonna take that on a Morphe B13 brush and just run it through my crease. And it can get on the lid because we're just gonna, yep, it's all over my lid, but we're going to buff it out towards my eyebrow, and we're gonna end up carving it out with a little bit of concealer later on anyway, so it's fine. And then using that same brush and the same palette, I'm taking this more orange shade, which is Cocoa Taxi. I just got Cocoa Taxi. And just kind of lightly running that over the topmost part of where we put that shadow, just to buff it out a little bit more and to make sure it's a really nice seamless blend. And then I'm going to take the Morphe M505 brush, which is just a fluffy blending brush, which is a lot smaller than the B13. And oh my gosh. And I'm going to take the this maroon shade from the palette, or burgundy, however you want to call it, which is Guantanamera. And just take a little bit of that and put it on my outer lid, outer V, and kind of blend it through my crease a little bit. And then to carve out the crease, I'm using the Tarte Rainforest of the Sea Aqua Sealer Sealer. The label is completely worn off of this concealer at this point, but it's in the shade Light. I'm just going to shake it a little bit because it says that's what you're supposed to do. And then I'm going to use, this is just a flat concealer brush, which is from a Morphe like case pack thing that I got forever ago. It doesn't have any numbers on it, but like I said, just a flat concealer brush. And I'm just going to gently carve out my crease with this. Not really my crease, my inner lid and crease area. Jesus. I'm going kind of halfway, maybe a little bit more than halfway with the concealer. But I'm just going to use that same brush and the Kat Von D Shade Plus Light Contour Palette and take this shade, which is Lucid. It is the farthest most highlighting shade to the left in the palette, and just patting it over where I just put the concealer down so it's not super tacky and doesn't crease up on me more than it already did. And then using my ring finger, I'm going back into the palette from before, and I'm using this greenish shimmery shade, which is El Malacone. I feel so white, so white. Which I am white, so I guess that's fine. Uncultured, that's what I feel like right now. And I'm just going to pat that onto the area where I just put concealer down. And then I'm going to use just a small like shader brush. I said this before, I never know what to call these brushes, but it's just a small flat brush, and it's from the Vintage Cosmetics. Wow. It's from the Vintage Cosmetic Company, and it is step 3, go girl go. And I'm just going to take a little bit more of the eyeshadow and just really cover all of the areas that I couldn't reach with my finger. Just to get like the really like detailed approach to it, you know? I don't, so. I'm going to take the burgundy and orange, dark orange colors from the palette and blend out the edge of the shimmery green from the palette. Oh, by the way, I have the hat on because my hair is kind of greasy right now, so whatever. And then I'm going to use a little bit of the Kat Von D tattoo liner, and then I'm going to go ahead and do my under eye because I realized I just skipped that, which is cool. Anyway, I'm using a Morphe Y18 brush, which is just a more like thin, I guess you would say, blending brush. And I'm just going to take a little bit of the darker orange shade and the maroon shade from the palette, or burgundy, whatever, and just running it lightly on my lower lash line. And then I'm using that same shader brush from before and a little bit of that green shimmery shade that we used on the lid. And I am just putting it slightly on my lower lash line, on like the inner half of it. Not even inner half, like inner third. And then I'm just going to use that same brush and use La Costa, which is this champagne-y color, I guess you would say. It's super pretty, and I love to use it as inner corner highlight. It's very, it's really bright, and I really like it a lot. I think it's super pretty. This eye is watering so bad. And then I'm going to go ahead and use the Monroe 3D Silk Lashes from Baddington Lashes. This also came in the BoxyCharm this month, and I think this packaging is so cute. It's like a little cobra on the front. I think it's adorable. And it comes in this cute little box. Nothing too fancy, but I still think it's really cute. And then we use the Double Decker lashes from Butter London just to coat my eyelashes so they look, oh my gosh, keep hitting everything today. So they look more seamless with the fake eyelashes. And do my bottom lashes as well. And then I'm going to use the Janta Blue, whatever, eyeliner pencil in 903 Dark Brown. It is just, like it says, a dark brown eyeliner pencil, just to my waterline. And I didn't go in super heavy with it, it was just like to put something there so it wasn't just naked. And then for blush, I'm going to take the Pretty Vulgar Make Them Blush number 18 Hush Blush on a Modapro BMX 130 pointed blush brush. I can say blush one more time, I think that'd be cool. And I'm just applying this to the apples of my cheeks. And like draping it along my contour. So not really the apples of my cheeks, but my cheeks in general. It's really late and I'm really tired. Sorry if this tutorial is not so great. maybe I'll edit it so it'll be a little bit better. And then I'm going to take the Becca Moonstone highlighter on a damp beauty sponge and just apply this as my highlight. I haven't used this one in a while, so I don't really know what it looks like on the face. Pretty. Wow, that is quite a lot. Wasn't expecting all that. I'm going to take a little bit of my ring finger and just bring it down the bridge of my nose. And a little bit on my Cupid's bow. And then I'm going to take the Jante Bleu lip liner pencil in 955 Spice. It needs to be sharpened. Do I have a sharpener? And I'm just going to use that lip liner to line my lips now that I found a sharpener. And then I'm going to take the Kat Von D Everlasting Liquid Lipstick in Ophelia and apply this all over my lips. Surprise. Once that dries down, I'm going to take the, or at least I'm going to try, and take the Fenty Beauty Gloss Bomb lip gloss and apply this over top of it, just to give it a more glossy effect. Obviously, because what else would it be? Whatever. But yeah, so this is the whole look. Apologies for the hair situation and the hat and whatever. If you can see all my bruises on my arms that I get from lacrosse, yeah, my elbow's looking really cute right now. It's all good. If you like the video, like the look, leave a like and a comment if you would. And also if you like the content that I'm putting out, I really can't talk today. Apologies for that too. If you like me and you like the whole thing I'm trying to do with my channel, then feel free to subscribe before you go. And as always, I will see you guys in the next one. I don't even remember what my outro is supposed to be. See you guys in the next one. See ya. Bye.